Every day I wake up, money's on my mind. How can I get it without committing a crime and doing some time? However I get it, I'ma stay on my grind. I'ma stay committed. Me being broke, you can forget it. It's not gonna happen, cause I ain't with it. I gotta get this money. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Pride, episode 54, guys. We had a great episode yesterday. Thanks for the turnout. We got 100 likes, guys. Shout out to my notification gang. Shout out to the people that's always there at the first second I launch a video. Appreciate you guys. All right, guys, let's get into the previous videos comments, because y'all know y'all love the comments. So let's go, guys. Remember, like, comment, and even subscribe, and even join the channel. Help the boy out. All right, let's go with Vulcan Money. Let's go team. Launched by June the 1st. Let's go, guys. Charles, you are spot on here, Pride. Low Ooxy supply will equal massive Ooxy price appreciation off of that $5 launch price. Ooxy is a massive price appreciation play with a daily Vulcan payout bonus. I don't think DP has caught on just yet to the huge disparity of Ooxy supply compared to all the other swaps, but he will. That's right, guys. I'm gonna go over Ooxy again because I'm gonna drill it in y'all heads on how bullish this is. I'm also gonna go over, some questions I have for ChatGPT, and I like the answers that they gave me. So look forward to that. Leon, very informative. Nice job. Rush 2017. I need some Ooxy. One day soon, Brown Legend will be making the hundreds of Vol and Ooxy millionaires. We are looking very good. Thanks, Pride. Thanks, BL. Gene, I like how you compare dexes for investors. That crypto, I like you compare prices with each other dexes and bear market. I like Ooxy Vol as a trading pair. Brown Legend, the man himself. Facts right there. Thank you, Brian, for stopping by. Florida's finest, Pride is grinding. Let's go. Stay grinding. Chalk Talk. Hey, Pride. Ooh, nice idea to get the reading done for you. I know. See, some people like it, some didn't like it. Some say I was lazy for letting the thing read for me. Who knows? I'm gonna start reading them down because I don't know. Miguel, at the end of the sacrifice, I think it's going to be less than 12.5 million. I agree with you, Miguel, 100%. Chappie, Ooxy, attractive fees and strong tokenomics. Good video, Pride. Thank you. Ojo's Azules. What's the use case for Ooxy token? Come on, brother. You got revenue sharing. You got the swap. Couple use cases. Invest in yourself. Ooxy swap is going to be huge. Yes. Mario, great content, mate. Natural Home Treatments. Hey CB, thanks for your support. Please help me to understand. Am a Vulcan holder. Do we buy Ooxy on launch day? I'm confused as to sacrifice what. Yes, you buy Ooxy not on launch day, but you can buy it. You can sacrifice your BNB, I think BUSD, and you can sacrifice it on April the 12th. Okay, you have 45 days. That's how long the sacrifice period is going to be. And then when we launch, that's when you get your Ooxy tokens in your wallet. Lady Bex, very good info. The Raven, great job. John Cano, I like the words you be speaking. Florida's finest, May 27th release date. Hint for mainnet. The AAA Vulcan in Ooxy deep Vulcan bars. Man, so much potential for everyone. All right, guys, I'm not gonna read all the comments, but let's read the top ones. All right, let's go into this letter from the founder himself, Brown Legend, going over the blockchain progress updates. And I'm gonna read this one to the whole Vulcan community. I want to share a necessary Vulcan blockchain progress update. Software development takes time and presents challenges both in the digital realm in the same way it does in the real world when dealing with technology. It is a constant pursuit of absolute refinement for which our team of experienced developers continue to push completion boundaries in order to fulfill our promises and obligations. Vulcan is opening up an entirely new category within cryptocurrency and creating something entirely unique, one of a kind, that the world has never seen before. I believe with every fiber of my being that the concept of auto staking, auto rebasing, and auto compounding will act as the catalyst to usher in the new wave within DeFi, allowing for generational wealth to be created by unlocking the door to true passive income. The Firestone mechanism is a primary core element that supports Vulcan tokenomics to enhance efficiency as well as maintain a long-term deflationary structure. Being that it is an integral component to making everything work in sync, it is important to us as a team and to all native Vol coin holders that harnessing its positive attributes and capabilities is not left out of focus. Supporting Firestorm on a Vulcan has presented some minor challenges and in return, negligible setbacks as our blockchain developers work tirelessly to solve. As soon as it is fully operational without internal flaws, our next stage will be to progress to the official release of Gamma testnets, which is not far away. At this point, we will begin the relaunch of the Hyperverse by Decentralized, coupled with deployment of marketing capital to boost awareness and acquisition of developer interest onto our chain. We continue to strive forward by ticking off milestones in our capacity to deliver a fully operational Layer 1 blockchain with a targeted launch in Q2 2023. We will keep bringing you regular progress updates and remain hopeful that a tentative date between May the 30th, June the 7th for mainnet can be achieved. Thank you for your unwavering support, Brian Legend. So there you got it, guys. We may get into a couple hiccups, but the developers are on their job. They working tirelessly, as you heard, to get this thing launched by Q2 2023. All right, guys. Now y'all seen the title of the thumbnail, follow the money. All right, guys, we all heard the term follow the money. And basically when I think of follow money, I think about, people with a lot of money and what they're investing in. And then those investments is what people want to put their money in because, those people with money usually have a track record. And right here, what you see on the screen is Ooxy Labs, okay? Brian Legend, Plan B, Damien and Adrian. These are the co-founders of Ooxy Labs. And also, they own 50% of the circulating supply. And remember, guys, yesterday I went over the circulating supply right here. The circulating supply of all these top dexes according to the most volume. And look at the circulating supply of all these guys. And then look at Ooxy, 12.5 million. All right, now you're gonna ask yourself, these guys started the blockchain. They haven't been paid yet, right? Where do you think they're gonna get their money from? They're gonna get their money from Ooxy Labs. That's how they're gonna make their money, from Ooxy Labs. Okay? They own half of the circulating supply. So I think their major focus is gonna be Ooxy Labs and how profitable they can make the Ooxy token. Okay? Because this is where they're gonna get their money from. That's why I said follow the money. This is why I'm so bullish on the Ooxy token. The circulating supply is low for a reason. Because they know the token is going to appreciate in price, guys. They know it. It's a given. That's why I said follow the money. These people want to get paid just like we want to get paid. Okay? They're not doing this for free. Alright? So this is a gem that I'm dropping for you guys. I keep telling you how bullish Ooxy Labs is. And I want y'all to get it in your thick skulls. Thick skulls. This is the play. What is the play for me? Not financial advice, of course, but this is the play for me. Ooxy Labs. Alright? This is how, like I say, this is how they're going to all make their piece of the pie. This is how all these people are going to get more rich, and more rich. They see the bigger picture. I see the bigger picture. I'm following these guys. Okay? Because I'm following the money. Alright, guys. Now let me get into ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT a couple questions. And I'm just going to go over the questions and I'm going to go over the answers because I think they're pretty important. First question asked, that says, what are the average returns on a new decentralized DEX? The average returns on a new decentralized DEX can vary greatly depending on a number of factors such as the quality of the platform, the liquidity of the trading pairs, and the overall market conditions. Remember, guys, right now we're in a bear market. It's important to note that decentralized exchanges are relatively new and the industry is still developing. As you know, with auto staking, auto compounding, auto rebasing, the first of its kind. Alright, so there's not yet enough data available to provide a definitive answer on average returns. However, one potential advantage of decentralized exchanges is that they typically have lower fees. We have the lowest fee in the industry, 0.19%, compared to centralized exchanges, which can potentially result in higher returns for traders. Additionally, because decentralized exchanges operate on a peer-to-peer network, there may be more opportunities for arbitrage trading, which can also lead to higher returns. Overall, the returns on new decentralized exchange can be difficult to predict and will depend on a variety of factors. Traders should always do their own research and due diligence before investing in any platform. Next question says, what are the most successful decentralized DEXs? As you guys know, I already went over them: Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, and Curve. Okay. Overall, these decentralized exchanges have been successful due to their innovative technologies, high liquidity, and user-friendly interfaces. However, as the cryptocurrency industry is constantly evolving, it is important to stay informed about new developments in emerging decentralized exchanges. Ooxy! How about a decentralized exchange with revenue sharing? There are several decentralized exchanges that offer revenue sharing to their users. These DEXs typically generate revenue through trading fees and then distribute a portion of the revenue back to their users in the form of incentives or rewards. Here are a few examples of decentralized exchanges with revenue sharing. Once again, you have 1inch, which rewards revenue sharing in the native token. Bancor, which rewards its rewards in the native token BNT. Kyber Network, same thing, rewards in the native token. Bouncer, rewards in its native token. And Ooxy is going to do rewards in Vault, more bullish. Okay. Which one of these DEXs have the highest circulating supply? Of course, Uniswap, like I told you guys, 611 million. PancakeSwap, 261 million tokens. SushiSwap, 257 million. Curve, 383 million. How important is circulating supply of 12.5 million for a new DEX when compared to these DEXs? The importance of a circulating supply of 12.5 million for a new decentralized exchange depends on several factors. In general, a larger circulating supply can provide more liquidity to the market, which can help to attract traders and increase in trading value. However, the circulating supply alone is not necessarily a good indicator of a DEX's potential success. For comparison, let's look at the circulating supply of some of the popular DEXs mentioned earlier. As you can see, these DEXs have significantly larger circulating supply than a hypothetical DEX with a circulating supply of 12.5 million tokens. However, a smaller circulating supply does not necessarily mean that the DEX is less valuable or has less potential for growth. Other factors such as the platform's user adoption, security, trading volume can also play important roles in determining the success of a DEX. Ultimately, it is important to consider a variety of factors when evaluating a DEX, including the platform's features, user base, long-term potential, rather than relying solely on a single metric such as circulating supply. How important is trading volume? Trading volume is an important metric to consider when evaluating the performance and potential success of a decentralized exchange. Trading volume refers to the total value of trades executed on a platform over a certain period of time. High trading volume indicates that there is a significant amount of activity on the platform, which can attract new traders, increase liquidity, and ultimately drive the value of the DEX's native token. Oopsie! Here are some reasons why trading volume is an important metric to consider for a DEX. Liquidity. A high trading volume means that there's a lot of liquidity on the platform, which can make it easier for trades to execute trades quickly and at a fair price. Market share. A DEX with a high trading volume is likely to have a larger market share compared to other DEXs, which can help to attract new traders and increase overall adoption of the platform. Revenue. Trading fees are one of the main sources of revenue for most DEXs. A high trading volume can generate more trading fees, which can be distributed to users through revenue sharing programs or used to fund development and marketing effort. Network effects. A high trading volume can create network effects where more traders on a platform can attract even more traders. This positive feedback loop can help to increase the overall value of DEX's native token. However, it's worth noting that trading volume alone does not guarantee the success of a DEX. Other factors such as user adoption, security, user experience, and the overall market conditions can also have a significant impact on the success of a DEX. Therefore, it's important to consider multiple factors when evaluating a DEX and its potential growth. So what qualities should a new DEX have when compared to the ones already mentioned? Listen to this, guys. When considering launching a new decentralized exchange, there are several qualities that it should possess to stand out from the already established ones. Here are some key qualities that a new DEX should have. 1. Unique features. Auto staking, guys. I'm just gonna throw that in there because that's part of the blockchain. Auto staking, auto compounding, auto rebasing. The new DEX should have unique features that differentiate it from the existing ones. This can include new trading pairs, which we have, innovative tokenomics, which you know we have, improved user interface, and better security measures. 2. User experience. The new DEX should be user friendly, making it easy for traders to navigate and execute trades. It should also have fast trade execution times, low latency, and minimal slippage. Okay. I think from looking at our websites that we are going to be user friendly because our dApps that we came out with already are just amazing to me. Security is a critical concern for any DEX. The new DEX should have a strong security measures in place to protect against hacks, attacks, and other threats. Liquidity, which is very important. Liquidity is an important factor that can attract traders to a DEX. The new DEX should have sufficient liquidity to ensure that traders can buy and sell assets at competitive prices. Trading volume, as mentioned earlier, trading volume is an important metric for the success of a DEX. The new DEX should aim to attract a large user base and generate significant trading volume. Revenue sharing. Revenue sharing model can be an attractive feature for traders and liquidity providers. The new DEX should have a revenue sharing program that provides incentives for users to hold and trade the native token of the DEX, which we have, guys. And community, which we have as well. Again, bullish. Building a strong community is important for the success of a DEX. The new DEX should actively engage with its users, provide customer support, and solicit feedback to improve the platform. So you guys think about this, guys. Bullish. Guys, I'm trying not to take up all your time, but I got so much stuff I want to go. Let me go over these Discord comments real quick with you guys. Alright guys, first comment from B Legend. Trust me, it's my belief that if you sell Ooxy ever, you're a fool. You will see tomorrow how freaking excellent the tokenomics are, unheard of, best of all, auto staking, no lock. So there you go, B Legend again. Ooxy now purely deflationary with such an ultra low supply. Woo! And another one from B Legend. Yes, only 6.25 million up for sacrifice, which won't all be taken, as it equals over $30 million for sacrifice. All what is left over will be burnt. Now ask yourself the question, why would he put 6.25 million up for sacrifice, knowing that it's not all not gonna be sacrificed? He knows he's gonna burn the rest of it. The circulating supply is gonna be so low, the price is gonna skyrocket. I mean, he's basically putting it out there to you guys. He's letting you know without letting you know, but it's up to me to let you guys know what's going on. That's why you need to like, comment, subscribe, and even join the channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Bullish.